Hello guys and welcome back to LX Hub YouTube channel. Another day, another tutorial from LX Hub Engineering Department. Ang tatalakayan natin ngayon ay kung ano ang flame sensor, ano ang mga advantages nito at kung paano ito gamitin gamit ang Arduino Uno R3. Ang flame sensor ay isang device na ginagamit upang ma-detect ang presensya ng apoy. Ito ay mahalagang bahagi ng fire safety applications, alert systems, or to activate safety measures, katulad na lamang ng fire extinguishing systems. Gumagana ang flame sensor by detecting ultraviolet or infrared light na lumalabas sa apoy. Ito ang flame sensor na gagamitin natin for this project. Meron itong photodiode upang ma-detect ang infrared light within 760 to 1100 nanometer from the source. This comes with an adjustable sensitivity and can detect flame up to 1 meter of range. By turning this potentiometer to the right, increases the sensitivity. On the other hand, turning to the left decreases the sensitivity. Ang flame sensor nito ay merong dalawang output, DO for digital output, high or low, when the detected infrared lights reaches certain threshold, AO analog output ranging from 0 to 1023 for more advanced detection. Ang flame sensor na ito ay karaniwang ginagamit sa industrial application, katulad na lamang ng industrial boiler upang malaman and to authenticate whether the boiler is properly working or not. Ang mga advantages naman ng flame sensor ay flame sensors can detect fires almost instantly, as well as more accurate compared with heat or smoke detectors due to its high sensitivity to flame. When used correctly, it is reliable because of its fast detection and high sensitivity. This is a low-power device, making it suitable for portable and battery-operated system applications. Para naman sa connection ng Arduino Uno R3 at flame sensor, magsisimula tayo sa VCC. I-connect sa 5V pin. Pangalawa, i-connect ang ground sa ground pin. Pangatlo, i-connect ang digital output sa digital pin 9. At ang panghuli ay i-connect ang analog output sa analog pin 0. Gagamit tayo ng buzzer to indicate if ang flame sensor natin ay may na-detect na flame or not. Before proceeding sa sketch ng Arduino Uno R3, please note na I have adjusted the sensitivity to around 50% of the maximum. Ang una ay define the connected digital and analog pins, declare the initial state of flame sensor's digital output, proceeding to void setup, set the pin modes of the buzzer and flame sensor's digital output accordingly. Proceeding to void loop naman, read in real time the output of both digital and analog from the flame sensor. When the flame sensor detects a flame or fire, tutunog ang buzzer. Kapag wala naman, hindi tutunog ang buzzer. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating project. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa tutorial na ito. To learn more, subscribe to LX Hub YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!